I've been coming back and forth to Ghana for about 10 years now.
Back and forth.
Yeah, back
Okay,
and forth.
but you're
just
coming
want
to
a place.
stay.
I just moved to airport residential.
Okay.
Hey!
Giovanni.
Yeah, this shadow.
Giovanni.
All right, hold on. I like you from Wahana. Wahana, Malam Fue. You Jinamu. Car price and swear. You Jinamu. You call airport. Yes, Ashana from Wahana. Kaswa Angelwood, what's your name? Talk to me. All right, Naomi, final 2 questions, guys.
Okay, I want to ask him, what's your dream date night?
Wow, that's a loaded one. Yeah, you're allowed to answer.
Sure. I like conversation. So I think conversation is important for us to get to know each other. Somewhere intimate, quiet, reserved, and away from people is where I want to be.
All right, Minchechemu. He likes to know more about you, so conversation and all that. Yeah, so somewhere quiet where you're cutting yourselves away from the noise of the world.
That is why we call it date.
Chacha,
It's a date. So
okay, all right. So ladies,
Giovanni,
okay.
Please can we know his spare?
He's kind of woman. Maybe that'll be in the next video. All right, so let's go for the third and final video to help you decide. All right, ladies, the third and final profile video of Corey.
I really like a traditional woman, someone who's family oriented and someone I can take home to mom. I think that Date Rush would be a good place for me to find a woman because I love Ghanaian women, but I really don't like the club scene or nightclubs.
He's very big on good health and longevity.
With 100,000 in Ghana, I would most likely go on a good date, have a good dinner, and I'd probably buy my woman a bag. If I had one life to live, I'd probably do what I'm doing now, enjoying life to its fullest.
He will cherish a long, healthy life with the right woman.
Date Rush. Everyone deserves love.
All right. He kept it very brief and succinct for us. Guys, ladies, before we say decision time, guys, this would be the perfect time for you viewers at home to download the TV3 reality app or dial the code *713 *14#. *713 *14#. Predict who gets taken on a date, all right? Who goes out on a date with Corey, all right? You have the option to do so. And Chachi will reward you. Big thanks going out to them. Ladies. Come on, ladies. Decision time. Wow. So, Corey, this has never happened on the show before. Wow, this has never happened on the show before. Oh, 2 are out. Yes, let's find out from them why they're out. All right, so by the third video, we usually don't get all the rushes on. Yeah, so this record breaking. But now Irene and Angie Wood. Don't tell me it's competition.
Giovanni, there is so much competition. I don't want to be bound.
Yeah,
so, yeah.
You're saving your heart from heartbreak. Angie Wood. And Rasta woman, the rose from who ben? And now ese bibi mao.
Oh, Dad.
Who perisla?
Wait a minute to home, man from Po.
My sister, come to me.
Yeah, that's why I was asking of your spare because I can't see this, see
You
body.
want to know the kind of woman
So if you want slim
like.
girls, then I can.
So that
I can contest. But if no, then I don't have body, I don't have ass, I don't have breast because the other time they bounced me because of breast. Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay. So you can. She wants to know your kind of woman in terms of physique.
I'm a, what they call a sapiosexual, so I like the mental part of a woman.
You're more into the brain than anything else. All right? Okay, so Corey, this is what we're going to do. You're to come to the ladies with the rashes on. Your job here is very simple. You're to come dancing. Put out, or off as many rashes as possible. Keep 2 on for me. So you can speak to me. You can speak to me. Does it mean that those who've taken the flash from there are free to put off their rashes?
Yes.
Wow. Ladies, do yourself a favor and put that thing on. So please come this way. Wow. Wow. Okay, hold on. Corey, you are sure about this? All right. So what we do next is that you get to ask these 2 ladies a question. 1 question for both of them. So based on their answer, you take your date away. It's that simple. So you have a question for them, I
do.
It's Chacha and Gillian. Share. Our own Chacha. You see, this life, don't give up. Just don't give up. Hey, while blessing was she. Yanko said, sorry, I was just telling them that they should download the app now. Said the question.
Where do you see yourself in 2 years? 2 years from now, 2 years' time?
2 years now, I have 2 options. Yeah.
Go.
Please. Please. Oh, guys, please. I know you guys are looking for this for me for a long time, so I have to grab it. In 2 years' time, I want to be a bodyguard of a president. Yeah. And my other option is I and my family to be happy. I and my family
Okay, Gillian, next.
Giovanni.
No. Bonidi. Corey.
Okay, in 2 years' time, I would love to be with my family. Like, I want a nice family, and then own my own big, like, business. You understand? I want to be a boss lady.
All right. There we have it. Guys, you have split seconds to go onto that app and predict Who gets taken on a date here? Is it going to be Gillian? Is it going to be Chacha? The choice is yours. But of course, the man to make it all happen is Corey. So Corey, you're supposed to go there like you did for the first one and then take your date away. But first, you're supposed to put the rush off for whoever you're not interested in. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Sure. Let's do this.
Fine boy.
So fine, so fine, so
This is definitely one of the sweetest episodes ever on Date Rush. I have here with me again Corey, now with Gillian. Congratulations, guys.
Thank you.
Let's talk about being on that stage. I mean, you never told me you had roses. I love roses. I would have stolen one, but you didn't tell me. What was this whole idea about?
I just wanted to make a good impression.
And I'm sure you did. But having all 10 rushes on, first profile, second profile, and then the third one, what, 2 ladies went off. But it's the first time. This is like a record on the show. How does that make you feel?
Nah, it's okay.
It's okay for you. So let's talk about Gillian. I mean, she's curvy, black, beautiful African woman. Was that, what really went into choosing her when it comes to her curves?
Maybe a little bit, just a little bit.
So it influenced you?
Maybe a little bit.
Hey, I love it. But you, Gillian, as well, your rush was on from the word go to the end. I mean, of course, Bruni Kakra, Atlanta Kakra, Roses Kakra, but what exactly caught your attention?
But I can't even talk. Like, I'm surprised. I don't know what to. Like, I like him. I love him. When he came to the stage, I was like, nah, he's mine.
So hold on, I love how loved up you are. I have something for you too. Moko Atlanta, Nana Mudiwe Ejari, something Ghanaian, something African. So this, it has black soap and moringa soap in there. It's from Geisha. It says African strength. And so, it'll keep your skin looking very, very nice and supple and everything. So I would love you to try this and then you come give us your feedback. You will, right?
I will, definitely will.
Congratulations. And thank you for the rose as well.
Thank you.
Yes, the single